had this, even though I got the box, I've had this for quite some time, I think 6 or 7 years. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, to Heterogeneity Rocks. Today we're doing a review on this Mastercraft Electric Wood Plane, which I've had for years, and I don't use it every day, but when I did use it, I used it for weeks and weeks on end, non-stop, and I'm going to have to say it gave me no trouble. First of all, let's just go through what's on a plane. You got the redirection of your chips, you get the dust bag, you get a guide that comes with it. I have no idea what happened to it. You have this adjustment for your depth, it goes up to 3 millimeters, and that's a lot to be taken off the first pass, trust me. Anywhere from 0.5 to 1.5 is my usual depth. So, what about the build quality of this? Well, it's typical. It's 95% plastic, except for the shoe is aluminum, and the barrel that holds your blades, that's I'm assuming that's steel or aluminum, looks like. But other than that, you are looking at a plastic tool, which is typical these days, isn't it? You get the tool here for your changing your blades, which brings me to answering your questions. How often do you have to change anything on this? Well, this have outperformed my expectations for the price. I'll say it's mid-range. When I say mid-range, I'm not talking, it's not the cheapest and it's not the most expensive. It's more, when I bought this, it was more on the lower end of the medium range. So I forget the price, like I said, but I have worked this thing very hard, right? I have not replaced this little belt in here, and I have not changed the blades, and I have ran over quite a few finishing nails with this plane, and the blades don't miss. It still takes off a even chunk and it's nice and smooth. So the only thing bad about this plane is the adjustment knob. I hope they have changed it over the years, because when you're planing, you know, you're twisting, you might twist the depth and you've changed the depth of your cut, right? So that sucks, but just be mindful of that. Other than that, I'm going to have to say this tool have passed my expectations for the cost of it. And I've, like I said, if I didn't work it hard, if I didn't know that I did, you know, put it through its paces, I wouldn't really say anything. But it is a good investment for the DIY guy, especially if you just got a project that you want to do yourself and you just don't want to break the bank and you're going to give it a shot, then yeah, because you're not going to use this very often, you're not out a lot of money. So in conclusion, guys, this passes my test. I want to say that I appreciate you dropping in to listen to me give a review on this. If it helps you in any shape, way, or form, think about giving a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you're not new to the channel, you know that I try and keep the videos as short as possible in my reviews for any product that don't need a whole lot of talking, we'll say. So that's it, guys. Mastercraft Electric Plane. Go get it.